Welcome back. We are here with another tutorial here on Worship with Flags. Today, we're going to be doing a tutorial for the butterfly, a very simple but beautiful movement. I'm going to show you the butterfly movement with the standard 2 flags, and then I'm going to show you, if you did the alternating, how you can change the look of it to add more movement into your worship. So this movement is a very beautiful flowing flag movement, perfect for square or angel wing flags of all sizes. Today I'm just going to be showing you the movement with the medium angel wings. So this is great for beginners and experienced worshipers. So it helps you move with more greater freedom and confidence. So you're going to grab your flags and we're going to get started. We're going to start with the demonstration without flags and then with flags. Okay, so the first movement it's all about, for the butterfly movement, it's about the rotation in your wrists, right? Remember, a lot of the flag movements is about your wrists, which is why all of us look different when we're doing the same movement, because our wrist is different. So for the butterfly movement, you're simply going up, flags are up, your palms are up, and then as you come down, your wrist switch, and your palms is down. So you go here, up, palms up, flip, go down. Palms up, flip, go down. One more time, palms up, flip, go down. So that's how we look with 2 flags. So this is what it looks like faster. Up, down, flat, up, down. So with the arms, it doesn't look like a butterfly, but because of the flag, it looks like a butterfly wing. Now, it does look different between the angel wing and the square just because of the shape of the flag. If you wanted to add a little bit of jazz to it, you could do the alternating. So instead of 2 hands going at the same time, you can go up, down, and just keep switching. So your wrist is still switching. So my left palm is up, my right palm is down. When you switch, right palm is up, left palm is down. You just keep switching. This is how you do it with the 1. And if you go to 2, both palms up, rotate, down. Both palms up, rotate, down. Then the bigger your arms, the bigger the movement. Up, down. And you can also add head movement. Up, down, up, down. And that changed the dynamics as well. You could do it up high, down, up, down, mid-level, up, down, up, down. You could do it to the side, up, down, up, down. So you could do multiple in different positions to make it look different. Let's grab the flags for this movement. All right, for this movement, I do have the 2 colors again. White is in my right, blue is in my left. We are going to do the standard slow motion. Palms up, palms down, palms up, palms down, palms up, palms down. So one other thing I want to point out with your flags is, like, the tip of your flags are kind of meeting each other. When your palms go up, if I was to stop, this is what it looks like. And down. Flip your wrist. Up, flip your wrist down. Up, flip your wrist down. And the flipping of the wrist is important so that your fabric doesn't get tangled and it completes the movement. Up, down, up, down. That's the butterfly. And the bigger the movements, bigger your arms go, the different dynamics. Close, wide, close, and wide. Now, if you wanted to do the alternating, this is what it would look like. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Now, still look like the butterfly. They're just not going at the same time like butterfly wings. Butterfly wings, this reminds you of the butterfly wings. And separate would look like this. Now, of course, always dynamic when you put your body into it. If you was to go up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. See the difference? So that's what it looked like if you do the full movement. You could do it to the side. So remember, with the hand motion, your palms is up, rotate down. Palms up, rotate down. So because you're at the back of the angel wing, you want to make sure your hand placement is at the back, right? This is the front of your flag. When you go up, point, down, up, down. So they're coming together, up, down, up, down. That's all that's to it. That is the butterfly movement. Simple, beautiful, very flowy. You could do it moving. You could do it with turns. You can do it high. You could do low. You can keep transitioning. You could do it to the side, all different directions. So don't be limited with just the movements here. Switch it. All right, you can combine them, mix it up, do what flows best for you. Just remember, hands at the end of the flag, the tips come together. So it's like your flags are kissing up and down, up and down. All right, that's it. So that is the butterfly movement with the standard butterfly and then also with the alternating. If you do one more than the other, start practicing. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. It was short and sweet, but I want to continue to bring you guys something to add to your worship experience. If there's any particular flag movements that you would like to see, be sure to drop them in the comments. If this tutorial was helpful, please be sure to drop that in the comment as well. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this page with anyone that it could be a blessing to. I want to continue to bring you guys more tutorials and more educational videos and different things to grow your ministry. Thank you again. If this is your first time here and you made it to the end of this video, I am Kalita Simmons and I am the creative director and owner of Worship with Flags. And I love creating videos and providing videos for those in worship ministry and worship arts. So until the next video, thank you for my subscribers that are already here. Thank you for being a part of the family and thank you for hitting that subscribe button. I appreciate you and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.